straw. This heathen thinks he can take ice onto the carpet. None on the carpet! I said on the tile! Come here! Keep the ice on the tile. Get the ice! Hey. Dumb nuts. Friday, you want to be in the video too? Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh. Get the ice. Run it back. Hey. Are you ready? Oh. As y'all can't tell, I'm sick. And my dog's retarded, but no, but that's why I've been gone for a while. I've been sick, I've been grounded over and over and over. I'm still getting over a cold. But I'll be posting regularly. Excuse me. No, but oh, Moneybag, want to say hi? Oh, they can't see you because you're black. That's not right. Oh, dog. Oh, no. Dogs! Ugh.